Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials, and in today's video I want to share with you one of my all-time favorite treats. This is a treat I don't make for myself much anymore because I am cutting back on my diet, but if you eat sweet things, then you're going to absolutely love this cookie slab ice cream. Now you might wonder where I came up with the name cookie slab ice cream. There was a business quite a while ago called Marble Slab Creamery where they mix up ice cream and they put stuff in it, and it was so yummy. And there was another one that I can't remember the name of right now that did the same sort of thing. I think it predated Marble Slab, but we've pretty much called everything that had stuff in it after that that was mixed up ice cream Marble Slab ice cream. But now I don't want to use their name, so I'm going to call it cookie slab ice cream. Now there are many ways to make this, but I'm going to tell you how to make the one that is my absolute favorite, and then I'm going to tell you about some of the various ways you can make it differently. If you come up with a different way to make this and it turns out to be really good, then let us know in the comment section right down there below, and that way everybody will be able to read it and get your yummy recipe as well. Now to get started with cookie slab ice cream, you only need two things: ice cream and cookies. To get started with this variety of cookie slab ice cream, you need three things. Basically, you need ice cream, and when you get ice cream, always get the good stuff. Get good ice cream, don't get the cheapo stuff because it just doesn't taste as good. And you need a cookie. In this case, we're making peanut butter cookie slab ice cream, and we're going to use Nutter Butter cookies. And to just cap it off and make it so much better, we are also going to use some peanut butter. And it's really simple to do. As a matter of fact, I don't know whether this video is going to be even long enough to be worth watching, but after you finish, if you make it, I promise you're going to say, it was worth it. So the first thing we're going to do, my ice cream is just a little bit melted. That's okay. I've had it out so it can get soft. You might want to leave your ice cream out to get soft. Maybe not quite this soft, but by the same token, I'm going to let you decide how soft is too soft and how soft is not soft enough. Okay, there's about the amount of ice cream I want to put in there. It's kind of a small serving, so I'm going to put the ice cream away. I got to put it back in the freezer, otherwise it's going to get softer yet, and I don't want that to happen. Now the first thing you need to do on your cookie slab ice cream is to just mix up the plain old ice cream until it gets soft, until it turns into soft ice cream. Didn't you do this when you were a kid? They would give you a dish of ice cream and you'd take your spoon and you'd stir it around until it turned into soft ice cream, and then you eat it. It's like, ooh, that's yum, 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 yum. And it is, it's really good. But this time we're going to do cookie slab ice cream by mixing up the ice cream until it's soft, until it turns into basically soft ice cream. The only difference between soft ice cream and regular ice cream that you get out of your freezer is the fact that they keep churning it until it turns soft. And they serve it to you right after they churn it, and it's still soft like you see right here. Now we're going to put some peanut butter in. How much peanut butter? I don't know, some. Just put in about as much as looks right to you. For that much ice cream, I'm going to put in about that much peanut butter. Okay, and I'm just going to use one spoon to scrape out the other spoon. You don't use your fingers to do that, do you? All right, now we're just going to mix up that peanut butter into the ice cream so it's all mixed up. Now I'm going to put the peanut butter away. And the only other thing we need to do is get the Nutter Butter cookies. Now I generally use 2 cookies. And all I need to do, by the way, I did wash my hands before doing this, is just take these cookies and crumble them up into the ice cream. And that's all there is to it, besides mixing them in, of course. Now we have peanut butter cookie slab ice cream, and I got to tell you, you're not going to believe how good this is. Oh my, that is good. You've got to try this for yourself. Now, some of the other varieties I have tried with this has been just plain old vanilla ice cream and Oreos. You might want to try vanilla ice cream and Oreo cookie slab ice cream with some chocolate syrup on top, or maybe some chocolate hard shell on top. You might want to sprinkle some nuts on top. The varieties are endless, limited only by your imagination, the kind of ice cream you can buy, the kind of cookies you can buy, and what else you want to put on top of it. So try it. Try a variety of your own. Let us know in the comments section what variety you tried and how well you liked it. And if you like this video, give us a big old thumbs up. That lets me and the YouTube robots know that you like the video, and if YouTube sees that, they'll probably recommend it to more people, you know, over there in those recommended videos. And if you're not already a subscriber, why not go ahead right now and click that subscribe button and then the bell icon, and YouTube will let you know the next time we post another great tutorial right here on David's Tutorials. Oh, that's so good.